Hello student, today I have started chapter 11 of class 8, that is force and pressure. The videos of force and pressure is already there in my channel. You can have a look on it also. A push or a pull on an object is called a force. Suppose two forces acting on an object is in same direction. The object will move in the direction of the force applied. Suppose two objects is in opposite direction, the force applied on it is in opposite direction, the object will move in the direction of the greater force. You can read it, force applied on an object in the same direction at one another. If the two forces act in the opposite direction on an object, the net force acting on it will be the difference between the two forces. Now what can force do? A force may bring an object move from a rest. Suppose a ball is there, you apply a force on it, the ball will start moving. That is an object move from the rest. May change the speed of an object. If object is there, you apply the object is there, it's moving in a direction, you apply the force opposite to it, it will come to rest or it will change the direction of the motion. If you apply a force on a ball in the same direction, the motion of the ball will speed up. Now it may bring about change in the shape of an object. Suppose you knee down a floor, a lump of floor, it will come to a dough, so it will change its shape. May cause some or all of these changes can be done with the force. Now what are type of force? There are two type of force, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force first is the muscular force. You apply a force to a object, then your muscles are applying, so this is a muscular force. The animal also apply the muscular force. The horse muscles are applied in pulling a cart is a muscular force. Suppose a ball, now another example is friction. A ball is stopping at a distance, moving from a ground, and this happens due to the friction acting on the ball. It is opposite to the direction of the motion. Now non-contact force, one is magnetic force. Two magnets of a same pole repel each other. Two magnets with a different pole, north and south, attract each other. This is a magnetic force. You take a scale, rub it on your hair and put it on the bits of paper. The bits of paper will attract on the scale. That is the electrostatic force. Now anything falling on a ground, suppose you take a ball and it will come to the ground. Open a tap, water will fall on the ground. This is due to the gravitational force. Each and every object in a universe is attracting each and every object, whether the force is great or small. Then this is the gravitational force. Now what is pressure? You peel an apple with a blunt knife, it will be hard to peel, but if the knife will be sharp, then it is easy to peel a apple. Why it is so? Because a pressure is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to the area. In the blunt knife, the area is large, so the pressure applied will be less. In sharp knife, the area is small, so the pressure applied will be more. Now liquid also exert the pressure. Take a hollow tube, put a suppose a balloon to the one of the opening of the tube, and from above put a liquid. The balloon will bulge. Now increase the height of the liquid, the bulging also increases. This shows the liquid also exert pressure. Now take a bottle put a hole at a different height, the more height will give the less depth, and the less height will give the more depth. This shows that the liquid exert pressure, the height increases, the pressure decreases. Now, gases also exert pressure. You blow a balloon, it will expand. So this shows gas also exert pressure. Now comes atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric air expands to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by this air is known as atmospheric pressure. Now the question arises, why we are not crushed by this pressure? The reason we are not crushed under this pressure is because the pressure inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure.